Hello friends, welcome to another video of Accessible Computing YouTube channel. Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, we are going to learn about the TTS settings of commentary screen reader. We have already made how to install and set up the commentary screen reader. I have shared the playlist link into the video description box. Do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Press the bell icon for notifications. For more updates, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description below. Let's hop in. Let me open the Jishu app.
Jishu Plus.
I'm swiping from left to right to check the options.
Jishu Plus. 20220 email 9461 general settings.
General settings.
2 TTS settings.
So this is our today's agenda. So let me open the TTS settings option.
TTS settings.
Let me swipe from left to right to check the options here.
Navigate up by TTS setting. 1 TTS engine.
So this is the option where you can choose your TTS engine. Let's explore.
TTS engine. TTS engine. 1 TTS engine allows to set the main TTS engine used to read content. In case the TTS engine fails to read, the program will fall back on the next available TTS engine.
So
TTS engine. TTS engine.
you can understood.
One system TTS engine checked.
So you can select multiple TTS engine. If one TTS engine fails, then the second TTS engine will start working.
TTS and one system TTS engine
One system
checked.
TTS engine. System TTS means the default TTS which you have set by your default text-to-speech engine.
USB icon checked.
USB icon.
3 Baidu Cloud TTS unchecked.
Baidu Cloud TTS. So we will not discuss today.
4 lThe unchecked.
lThe, it's also a TTS.
5 Samsung text-to-speech engine /com.samsung.smt unchecked.
Yes, so Samsung text-to-speech engine. So if I check this checkbox, then if my Eloquence TTS will not work at any time, then commentary screen reader will automatically switch to the next checked TTS engine which is available or which is checked from here.
6 speech services by Google /com.google.android. 7 Jishu Plus /com.niran.orgman unchecked.
So Jishu has also own TTS. I'm not sure. If I will able to know, then I will.
ATTI Eloquence TTS /s.codifactory.eloquence it's unchecked.
So ATI Eloquence.
Cancel button.
Cancel and
TTS engine.
So for example, I'm just giving the
5 Samsung 6 speech 5
Samsung
Samsung
engine.
text.
I'm checking.
TTS engine.
So now this is the TTS engine has been set.
10. Stop reading when touching. 9. Use the proximity. 8. Use accessibility volume checkbox. 7. 6. 5.
5.
4. 3, 2, 1. TTS N. 1. TTS N. 2. Use a single TTS engine. 1.
So now let me just
TTS N. 1.
change this.
System TTS engine unchecked.
So I'm checking system TTS engine, okay? Because I have just shown you how it works.
TTS engine. 1 T2 use a single TTS engine checkbox unchecked. Everything will be read using the main TTS engine while this option is checked.
So this option is already known to you because while we are setting up the screen reader, commentary screen reader, we have told about this option.
3 TTS rate acceleration. This function is still in beta. It allows to accelerate the TTS engine beyond its maximum available rate. It is
increase
not
the rate
guaranteed to
of
support
your
all voice engines.
TTS engine. So you can increase the rate from here. Otherwise, you can increase also the rate from the Google text-to-speech or whatever text-to-speech you are using. Okay, with your commentary screen reader.
4 TTS rate. 3 TTS rate
So,
accelerate.
for
TTS
example, I'm just going
1
to-
checked.
1 check means its speed is 1. Now
2 1.1 unchecked.
1.5 means if your speed is 2%, then 1.5% will be increased. If your speed is 1%, then your speed will be 1.5%. So let me change
3
this.
1 4 1.5 1.4 6 1.5 unchecked.
1.5,
7 1.6 unchecked.
1.6%,
1.7 unchecked. 9 1 10 1.9 unchecked. 11 2 unchecked.
So 2. So I'm just checking this box.
TTS engine.
Let's see.
4 TTS rate.
Right?
3 TTS. Rate TTS rate acceleration.
So I'm just
Cancel button. 24 3.3 unchecked. 8.
I'm just
7 screen recorder. 1 UI home. 1 7 G screen recorder. 1 UI home phone. 1 8 screen recorder. TTS rate acceleration.
yes.
25 3.4 unchecked. 24 23 22 3.1 unchecked. List items. From 1 to 14. 91 items. In total 1. And TTS engine. 4 TTS rate. 5 TTS volume ratio. 4 TTS
So
rate.
TTS
3 TTS.
acceleration.
Dysfunction. Is still in. TTS rate acceleration. TTS rate acceleration. 11 2 checked. 10 1.9 1.8 1.77 1.6 1.5 1.4 1.3 unchecked. 3 1.2 2 1.1 unchecked. 1 1 unchecked.
So
4
I'm
TTS
just
engine.
changing 1.
4 TTS rate. 5 4 TTS rate.
For TTS rate, so TTS rate is not quite working in my case, so that's why I'm not showing you. It's a very simple. You can explore on your own.
5 TTS volume ratio.
TTS volume ratio. This is the volume ratio. I mean, from 1 to 10 or 10 to 20, like this. You can choose a ratio, and it will adjust the TTS volume.
6 TTS pitch.
TTS pitch. Pitch is very simple, so you can try at your own.
TTS pitch.
Let's explore.
TTS pitch. 51 50 checked.
This is also the ratio. So 51-50 means this is a ratio. So you can check whatever you want.
TTS engine.
But I am not recommending this option. You need to always change pitch, speed, everything from your TTS. Whatever TTS you are using. Okay, do not use just commentary screen reader settings.
7 audio ducking checkbox unchecked controls.
Audio ducking,
whether
we
the
know
volume
what
of
is
all
the audio
sounds
ducking.
is lowered while the program is speaking.
Audio ducking means when you are playing some media file, then your media file will be the sound of your media file will be decreased while your talkback, I mean commentary screen reader will announce something. So if you wish, you can check this box. Checked.
Use accessibility volume checkbox unchecked.
Use accessibility volume. So if you check this box, then if you increase or decrease accessibility volume, your commentary screen reader volume will be up and down. I mean your TTS volume will be up and down.
9 use the proximity sensor checkbox unchecked controls where the speech is stopped when the proximity sensor is touched.
So use the proximity sensor. This is very similar to talkback. So I can check this box.
Checked.
And after that, another extra option is there.
10 stop reading when touching the screen checkbox unchecked.
Stop reading when touching the screen. So this is very good option. Those phone who have some problem regarding proximity sensor, they can easily use this feature. So I'm checking this box.
Checked.
Now
11 prevent the screen from locking while speaking checkbox check controls.
This is also
whether
very
the screen
amazing
is kept
feature.
awake while the TTS is speaking.
sometimes what happen if our screen limit is 10 seconds or 15 seconds, so sometimes screen reader is working, screen reader is talking something, but screen is off and it says screen off. So to skip this, you can use this option.
TTS engine. To use a single TTS engine checkbox unchecked, everything will be read using the main TTS
I'm
engine.
backing.
TTS to secondary TTS engine.
So this is the same settings for secondary TTS engine. If you are using dual TTS engine, then you can use this, but I'm not recommending to use. But let's explore if there
Secondary
any
TTS
other
engine.
options.
Secondary TTS. One secondary TTS engine allows to set a
This
2
similar-
TTS rate acceleration,
TTS
3
is
TTS
similar.
rate, 4 TTS volume ratio,
TTS volume ratio
5
similar.
TTS pitch,
TTS pitch.
6 audio ducking checkbox
Audio
unchecked,
ducking.
7 use accessibility volume, 8 use the proximity sensor, 9 stop reading when touched, secondary TTS and
So
1 second,
that's all.
3 system TTS settings,
System TTS settings.
1 TTS engine,
TTS fast is TTS engine. Then
3 system TTS
system TTS
settings,
settings means it will open the general text to speech settings from your settings option. Okay. So let's see.
navigate up, text, 1 preferred engine,
Yes.
ETI eloquence TTS,
It's the known option. So I'm
TTS,
going to next.
4 Iflitec TTS
Iflitec
settings,
TTS, we don't have installed Iflitec TTS. I think this is a TTS settings.
5 SBIC TTS
Speak
settings,
TTS settings. If those who are using Speak TTS, they can choose whatever settings they want. But option is the same, I think. So let's explore with Speak TTS.
G2, 1 import SBIC dictionary, import an
Import
SBIC voice
expert
dictionary,
dictionary,
2 voice variant, male
Voice
default,
variant,
3 speak punctuation none,
speak punctuation,
4 speech rate 170, 5 pitch 50%,
Pitch.
6 pitch variation 100%,
variation and
7
inflation.
volume 100%,
volume,
8 speed, 9 status unavailable.
Status
10 default voice English United Kingdom.
default voice.
11 voices installed 131. 12 SBAC version 1.52
I
dev.
think the eSpeak version comes with TTS. I mean sorry, the eSpeak TTS has been already installed in my phone. I haven't sure, but let me check and I will tell you.
30 G2O Plus.
So I'm backing.
6 read emoji checkbox unchecked.
So read emoji. So I'm checking this box.
Checked. 7 read custom symbol definitions checkbox unchecked.
Read custom single definitions. For example, it says bang instead of exclamation, or it just says semi instead of semicolon. So you can add this. I will create new video or another video for this if you wish. Let me know into the comment section.
8 custom symbol definition settings. 9 other settings.
Other settings. So let's check what are the options.
Navigate up.
Other
9
settings.
Other setting. 1 Q notifications checkbox
Q
unchecked.
notifications checkbox not checked. So you can check this box. Check.
2 slow down speech while in character by character browsing mode
So
checkbox
when you are browsing character wise, the speed automatically get down.
3 use ringtone volume for speaking checkbox unchecked. Controls whether the ringtone volume should be used for reading the incoming call screen.
Okay, so when incoming call screen used, then if you reduce the volume of your ringtone volume, then it will reduce the TTS volume also.
3 use ringtone volume for speaking checkbox unchecked. Controls
So,
whether
I am
the ringtone
recommending you
volume should be
uncheck this
used
box.
for mute commentary screen reader while recording is active checkbox checked.
Okay, so while call recording is active, I mean any recording is active, commentary screen reader will say nothing. So if you wish, you can do that.
5 use the enhanced accessibility volume control checkbox unchecked. If the accessibility volume fluctuates frequently, you can try to enable this option.
Right, got it. Next.
6 enhanced screen locking prevention mechanism checkbox unchecked. It is recommended to check this option if the above option does not work.
So if the above option does not work, you can check this box.
7 read numbers as single digits checkbox unchecked.
Yes, so I'm checking this box.
Checked. 8 read punctuation checkbox unchecked.
Yes, I'm checking this box.
Checked. 9 read capital letters while typing
No, I
checkbox
don't
unchecked. Other settings.
Okay, so I'm just
TTS.
closing. This is all about TTS settings, I hope.
3, 4
Let's see.
operation settings.
Yes, so this is all about TTS settings we have discussed today. If you have any doubts, any queries, drop into the comment section. I will see and I will let you know by reply the comment. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.